We created the Directorate for Food Processing, realizing that there's a very important gap that needs to be filled. We took the decision, we went ahead with the creation of a directorate. Whether it was programs like CM Assure, a policy decision had to be made. We realized that our farmers were suffering during the lean period where prices were dropping, lean in terms of demand. And we had to make a tough decision of how we would intervene. And we committed 100 crores for CM Assure today. And I'm happy to tell you that within a matter of months, we have already released 10 crores. And out of the 10 crores, 4 crores is only for Ri Bhoi district alone. And thousands of farmers have benefited from this. I know we still have a lot more challenges. But this is only to show you that we are there with you and we care about you. Government has done many things to support and to help our farmers. I'm not saying that we've been able to change everything, but a huge difference has been made. Our friends from the Hill Farmers Union are present out here. They will tell you, and I'm sure they've shared with you, how at different levels, for different challenges, this government has come forward and taken some very, very difficult decisions, but decisions that were necessary to support our farmers. The different mission mode programs, whether you talk of turmeric mission, whether you talk of ginger mission, that we are also funding storage spaces under CM Elevate. There is share, which means 75% will be paid by